Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on the application of Gmail. You will click on settings. You will click here on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search for Gmail. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll go to storage. You will click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.